meantime talk about, as India is reveling under the success of Operation Sindoor, the comments by some leaders from the opposition seem to sully that sentiment. The entire country, which is praising our valiant forces for leaving Pakistan with a bloody nose and forcing them to beg for immediate ceasefire. On the other hand, BJP is conducting Tiranga Yatras across the country to celebrate the success of our forces. But on the other hand, opposition is not very happy with the Prime Minister. Now you ask why, because this is not coming across as a surprise either. Because the opposition believes that the Prime Minister is using Operation Sindoor as an opportunity for votes. So here again, elections and votes are being linked, something when it comes to defense, security and national security. Akhilesh Yadav is calling the Prime Minister a Chitrajeevi. His fellow party members also having a show of strength that the Adampur Air Base is only keeping elections in mind. They say that the Prime Minister is now making appearances and giving out speeches because he wants to benefit the BJP in the upcoming elections. Other opposition leaders are even demanding proof now for the killing of 100+ terrorists as part of Operation Sindoor. But if you remember what Air Marshal Bharti had said, that it is our job to hit the targets, it is not our job to count the body bags. But as it wasn't good enough, Samajwadi Party has even added a caste spin. Don't you believe it? Let's listen in when it comes to reactions that are coming in from their own party leaders on what point of view do they have of the Indian government, of the Prime Minister and of our defense forces. Listen in.
ये जो चूक पर जो इनकी चूक हुई है, उस पर चूना लेप करके बचने की जो कोशिश कर रहे हैं, जनता जागरूक है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग बचने वाले नहीं हैं। चित्रजीवियों को कम से कम ये स्वीकार करना चाहिए, जो फौज के लिए उनके लिए इस्तेमाल के लिए है, वो सेल्फी पॉइंट नहीं हो सकता है।
व्योमिका सिंह हरियाणा की जाकर और एयर मार्शल भारती पूर्णिया के यादव हैं, तो तीनों तो पीडीए के थे।
अगर पाकिस्तान ने भारत के सामने हाथ जोड़े तो फिर सामने आके कोई समझौता क्यों नहीं हुआ? क्यों पाकिस्तान दुनिया के सामने आके नहीं बोलता, किसी कागज पे साइन नहीं करता, दुनिया के मीडिया के सामने आके नहीं बोलता कि हमने भारत के सामने हार मानी और हमने भारत के सामने हाथ जोड़े?
Our army operators have said that they have targeted the specific zones of terrorist camps. Good, welcome. But none of the terrorists could be found there. None of the terrorists could be apprehended. None of their bodies could be really recovered.
क्या हुआ? दरअसल ये 100 लोग मार गए, 100 लोग मार गए, तो क्या एक एक मारने के बाद उसका काउंटिंग किया गया? क्या 100 लोग मारे गए? नहीं। 101 क्यों नहीं? 99 क्यों नहीं? ये लोगों के दिमाग है कि बराबर 100 मारे गए। उसमें जो 4 लोग यहाँ आके हमारे निशस्त्र लोगों को मारे, टूरिस्ट को मारे, उनके बीवी का सिंदूर मिटाया गया, वो 4 लोगों का क्या हो गया? वहां तक तो सरकार अभी तक पहुंची नहीं है।
ये सब जो है ना, ये सारी चीज़ों को जो पॉलिसाइज किया जा रहा है, सबको इससे राजनीति में अपना मदद लेने की कोशिश की जा रही है। ऐसी चीज़ें, ये देश में कर्ज कितना बढ़ गया, चाइना के लोग हमारे बॉर्डर में घुसकर हमारी ज़मीन पर कब्जा किए बैठे हैं, उस पर कोई चर्चा नहीं हो रही है। महंगाई बढ़ती जा रही है, बेरोजगारी बढ़ती जा रही है, बहुत सारे इशू देश के अंदर हैं, देश की प्रॉपर्टी बिकती जा रही है। इन सब चीज़ों की बात ना करके सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपनी वो दिखाना कि एयरबेस पे गए, उनसे मिले और अब जो है हमने जो है पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ ये कार्रवाई किया, एक साथ खून और पानी नहीं चले, ऐसी बातें करके ना सिर्फ और सिर्फ इलेक्शन में फ़ायदा लेने की बात हो रही है। मैं समझता हूँ कि जब 2014 के बाद देश की स्थिति इसी तरह की होती जा रही है।
Well, such leaders who call themselves people's representatives, don't they undermine when it comes to the very same people who are actually backing the government and the defense forces when Operation Sindoor was launched? A riled up BJP which is now gunning for the India bloc, accusing them of maligning the forces in the bid to target and oppose the Prime Minister. They claim that such comments not only undermine the armed forces but also reflects their mindset of the alliance.
महिलाओं और सेना का अपमान, यही तो इंडी अलायंस, खास करके समाजवादी पार्टी, कांग्रेस पार्टी की पहचान। जो टिप्पणी राम गोपाल यादव ने विंग कमांडर व्योमिका सिंह जी पर की है कि वो हरियाणा की डैश डैश है, ये एक ऐसा जाति सूचक शब्द है, ये एक ऐसा शब्द है जो सेना को बांटने पर भी आमादा है, महिलाओं का और उस वर्ग के लोगों का अपमान करने के लिए भी दिया गया है और ये समाजवादी पार्टी और इंडिया अलायंस की मानसिकता को दर्शाता है।
Well, Sabyasachi is connected with us. Sabyasachi, before Operation Sindoor, the opposition raised questions. After Operation Sindoor, they continue to raise questions. I mean, what is the point that they are raising? All of the facts and figures that have been provided are, of course, by the government, but also by the defense forces, who have been maintaining transparency and have been sharing information of how successful Operation Sindoor has been. और क्या सबूत चाहिए?
Well, that's right. See, our armed forces time and again have given sabut to the opposition leaders how Operation Sindoor was successful, how we were successful in targeting the terrorists. But clearly the opposition continues to demand sabut. Now, leaders like Vikas Ranjan Bhattacharya from the CPM, who's a member of parliament in Rajya Sabha, says that the people who were killed in the airstrike were innocent, were civilians, and they were not terrorists. In fact, the CPM demands sabut from the armed forces. Now, several leaders like Atishi who have also asked for sabut. So time and again, whether it is the Congress, Aam Aadmi Party or the CPIM, all of them have questioned the credibility and intent of the central government. In fact, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi went to Adampur to meet our armed forces, in fact, the opposition has also objection in that. In fact, leaders like Akhilesh Yadav calls Prime Minister Narendra Modi as Chitrajeevi. CPIM calls Prime Minister Modi for going there for photo op. In fact, the Tiranga Yatra that we are seeing in every parts of the country, which is being carried out not only by the BJP but by the civilians as well, the opposition have problem with that, and there continues to raise questions stating that the
India
BJP
may have enemies outside the country, but what about those who continue to raise questions within? For the moment, Sabyasachi, thank you very much for joining in. As far as celebrations of how widely successful Operation Sindoor has been, there have been pictures that have been coming in of Tiranga Yatras that have been carried out across the country. And of course, the success that is also being celebrated with Ek Desh, Ek Dhadak initiative in Rajasthan. So there.